I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to CTA Review. Today is April 19th, Friday, 2024. So, crazy fucking day in the market right now. Price dropped overnight, really early for me. But to make even this video or even be fucking awake. But damn man, I got into this trade yesterday. We ended up man, I need to close this shit, but we opened up last night in Asia and shot down. And I was making that video, not video of that picture yesterday. Hold on a second. Yeah. So yesterday, this was the trade I closed out of, and then I was really just trying to take it to this gap here and some liquidity below, which I'll show you here, obviously, which would have been this low right here from January 31st, right? And we had the imbalance there. And then we had this weak gap. I didn't expect all this to happen like tonight, or last night. So wasn't even really thinking about this area right now. But Asia had brought it down crazy right to that weak gap. I mean, to that weak down candle. But then, so when the price was dropping, check this story out. So the price was dropping, and I was having dinner, so I didn't even know it was dropping. And then I'd say like around here. This is when I was done with dinner, and me and my wife would watch the show or whatever, and I was like, these motherfuckers, I knew it, you know. But and I left it alone, right? And then I'm taking a shower, and then after taking a shower, well, no, I had saw this. I came back to my computer, came back upstairs, and saw this sitting here, and I was like, oh my god. Then I took a screenshot and put it into the community tab. Now I was like, holy shit. And then I thought to myself, I'm like, dude, that big ass drop is going to be a big ass push back up. And this might be the seasonal shift, even. This might be the low for even months. It might even be a low till April. But, anyways, long story short, and then I'm like, dude, how can I get involved in here? So, I'll try to go on 1 minute real quick. I want to close this trade, man, live, but so when the price came down here, oh, you can't see it. I'm gonna go to 2 minute because you can't see the gaps. Oh, that's fucking stupid, man. I haven't put the time to. I want to close it, man. 3 minute, nah. I guess I have to go to a 5 minute. But let me do it this way. Let me highlight. Um. Let me do it this way. If this helps. So there's that gap, and then there's this gap in the middle. All right, this will make sense in a second. I'm gonna go to 1 minute real quick. So how I got involved is okay. Well, it didn't come to no random place for me. It came to the week. I highlighted. Well, we sealed the gap. We took that low. We were in the down candle. So I'm like, where am I gonna buy here, right? Because it's just it's sort of complete randomness in a way, right? But let me go. So I have these weak gaps right here, right? I have a weak gap here, and I have a weak gap in the middle of it. Where are these weeks gap from? The big one is from December 26th. No. Oh, it was a holiday probably. Yeah. Yeah, it's probably a holiday. Yeah, Friday and then Tuesday. So we had Monday, Christmas Day off. So this is from Christmas Day. Huh. Um and then um and then the middle little gap in here is from, where is it from? Is that a holiday too? Shit. I don't know why. I don't know where that one's from. I can't tell. Let me see if I can see it on this time frame. I want to be done right here. Okay, yeah. So from Sunday, January 14. All right, so that's where that middle gap is at. All right. And then on top of that, I was mentioning the monthly gap here with this that's what this uh, purple line is. So I have all that layered on top of each other. So I've got the you can see the down candle. I have it on the open, not the top of the candle, but the open, right? So that's what's going on all right here. Now that we've discussed that on the 1 minute, oh, what's going on? On the 1 minute, price came in here, right? So okay, so I took a shower and I was taking a shower and I was like, dude, if it comes in here, I'm fucking buying it. I don't I don't ever trade Asia, and I can count the amount of times I've traded Asia on my hand, literally. And we had a we dipped down into the weak gap and that purple, and I took this buy. I mean, at this point, I'm like fear of missing out. I'm like FOMO, fucking take a loss here. Comes down right here again. Now we're an oversold. I'm like, okay, took it here, lost again here. Lost like a couple thousand just trying to catch this thing because I mean, I was on my fucking phone. I didn't even have the computer open. I literally put an alert while I was in the shower, and then I got out of the shower and the alert went off here, and I was like, dude, I'm in there. And then and then and then I went to a 5 minute, but then we rushed in the middle gap. So I have this 50% here. You can see this fib. It's already still there. I got this 50% gap fib in the middle of the main gap here. The main gap right here. Forget the purple. I'm gonna delete the purple now. Actually, let me delete this. If I could delete it. Oh my god. I'm deleting it. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so we have this main gap and we have this middle gap. So I put a 50 fib here to measure that gap, and then when it tapped in, not only did it hit the 50%, but then it touched the top of this middle gap. So I'm like, okay, that's like a perfect refined area. And then on the 5 minute, so I had pushed buy right there, and I need to get the fuck out of this trade. And boom, this fucking candle shot off. Now, oh, and this is why this is why I'm freaking out, because I was on the phone and I was pushing the button on the phone and it fucking entered me twice. So I over leveraged by accident. It gave me 8 contracts when I only trade 4. And long story short, I'm trying to finish this so I can exit it. Actually, I'm gonna fucking exit it now, dude. I already got my screenshot, man. Damn, this thing is. Let me screenshot it while we're here, dude. Didn't that 40,000 look much better? um um hold on one second. I should have did it when I was there. Okay, hold on. Yeah, because I think my day's gonna be done. There's no way. I'm fucking ecstatic. All right, let me screenshot it there, and let me get out of this fucking trade. I'm closing it. Fuck this. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what happens. Holy. Okay, so I was in the phone and I hit the button twice by accident because it was when it was jamming in here. It was so quick. It was sporadic, and I was like, dude. And then I hit it twice and it fucking double leverage, and I was like, I was like, oh no. But I was in a perfect place. I was like, and then it shot off. I was like, no, keep it. Fuck it, keep it. And I don't over leverage. So this is my biggest trade and biggest day. And I'm not gonna get emotional, but what I want to say is that is this, do I consider this my biggest trade? Yes, 100% obviously. But does it count because it's over leveraged? I don't know, because it's over leveraged. But at the same time, it's still a win. So um, I don't know. Um, whatever. Oh, there's another gap right there. Oh, there's a gap in there, a little one. I didn't see that because my other one was covering it. Oh shit. Oh, look at this. Now it's going up. You bastard. So where do we go from here? Bro, let me tell you, I don't know, and I don't fucking care. That's a big ass wick. I could see them coming right back down. So I put a 50 and I put a 50% fib here on this range from yesterday. So I have to go from the high to the low. Then it came from this high to this low, came back 50%. It bumped against any buyer's remorse right here. So when it ran right through, it came right back to, and that's pretty much what this trade is for me. And it can keep going, man. And this can be buying for a long time, but I don't give a fuck. So I don't even think I'm gonna trade the rest of the day. I think I'm gonna go celebrate. I have to take my wife to the airport and some other things, but I would have been back by 9:30. But man, I don't know. I don't know. But this is crazy. I want to leave you with this. Keep pushing. Don't overtrade. Don't be a degenerate. Wait for certain levels like this. Refined key levels. Believe in yourself, and it's hell before you get there. That's all I can say. I've cried probably 3 times at least in my journey, at least, and it's all about this. Then look at this bitch is going up now. I just held it. Only reason why I thought about holding is because this is a very massive support area. I mean, I could have fucking held this. I mean, we don't know if Friday is gonna really push it, but dude, let me tell you, this is such a big move. It might fizzle out. Might be a shitty day for the rest of the day. We'll see. But I gotta go. All right, so I just got back from the airport. Dropped my wife off, and I was gonna let her just go on her own. But man, I had no intention of managing this trade, and this is why I took it off, especially. But hey, it went up more. Could have trailed the stop at least, but I knew I couldn't manage this trade, so I got out. But the idea was to I literally didn't render the video, so I just left it there, and now I'm back. But I wanted it to come back up here. This was the general idea. Take some liquidity. We'll see what happens, but plenty on room on the on this over to get overbought. I mean, we got plenty of room to come up, but we'll see how it goes. And the daily is starting to kind of turn around, possibly here. But I wanted to say this: are these trades random? I've told people about this area already when we were up here, okay? And this trade that I'm taking it in, does this look random to you? Is this a random place? This should be here, actually. I don't know why that's not like that. Oh shit. So this is actually supposed to be right here. It's because I had that other gap there, and anyways. But yeah, tapped in. So yeah, man. I mean, is this a random place? No, it's not. I mean, this isn't just random trading here. This is very, very refined. So, key levels. I just wanted to add some more on this video. I just literally came back and just tried to add some more. But, you know, I could have managed this a little bit better, but I knew I couldn't manage the trade. So I got out, and I'm not regretting it or anything. I'm just, but I did wish I did that. But again, like, long story short, man, I mean, you gotta, you have to perform in a certain way where you wait for good setups. You don't overtrade. you don't over leverage, obviously, but today was a bad example. It was a total accident. I didn't mean to double push the button on my phone. I don't really trade on my phone like a lot at all, but at the time I had to because I knew where I was, and my computer was already shut down. So, but yeah, I ended up getting in at 8 contracts instead of 4. So we're right back at the open of the day. They just sealed anyone trying to sell, and then it would have made sense to keep buying here a little bit to hold, only because everybody that broke out through here, right? Because when they broke through here, they're like, right, we're holding it, we're selling. So this is the reason for it. Now from here, yo man, I don't want to be involved, and I'm probably not going to trade. I'm probably going to go out and celebrate a little bit and do some things. So go to the barber and call it a day. But yeah, man, I just wanted to make this. I just wanted to add this a little bit to the video. And what else can I say, man? It's just like, you got to believe in yourself. Confidence is key. Usually when I take these trades, I'm so confident. I just take them, and they when they go, it's like, you don't think twice. But when you overthink it, you don't get in, you miss the trade, you're constantly, fucking up your psychology. So these are the things that are very key that I'm mentioning. This is what I had to work on and overcome. So what else can I say? But I'm okay with taking a couple losses here and there on each trade, though, because that's a part of doing business. I'm not the type to have a big stop loss. Why would I have 100-point stop loss? I don't understand. Some traders have 100-point stop loss, and okay, they might be trading with $1 million account, but at the same time, I don't need a big stop loss to find out if I'm wrong. You know what I mean? Like, even if I increase my stop loss and I still lost twice, like let's just say I took 2 losses, and instead of having a bigger stop loss, well, I'd rather have that than have the bigger stop loss, right? Because you could have the bigger stop loss, still be wrong, right? And then fucking have another big stop loss, right? So at that point, I know if it's wrong, then I want to stay out early, and that's just how I do it. I think that's the way to go. But yeah. And one more thing, it's like, I was kind of upset last night that I didn't hold it, and the price dropped all the way down. I was like, oh my God, that would have been, my biggest trade. It was going to be over 40,000 as well. And I was like, but guess what? Even though I missed all this, and I caught this and caught it all the way up here, right? And I got it right. I just got it right back, or the trade that I thought I missed. So, it's like, the fear of missing out and all this bullshit. It's like, dude, there's another train coming every 15 minutes. So this is a very good example of like saying like, hey man, understand this market provides every day. Who cares? Another thing I forgot to mention. Look at on the 5-minute. Look at the divergence right here. This is another reason I forgot to mention all that of why I was like, oh my God, this is perfect. So I had a little divergence right here, and then obviously popped up, got into that imbalance right here on the fifth on this candle right here, and then I held that support, and then just fucking kept taking off. See that? So after breaking this, and then this candle here, this candle here, we'll just go from the body here. See that? So, but yeah, man. But yeah, who cares about missing this? It's like, just got it right back. It's like, dude, fucking care. So this is a prime example of never worrying about missing a trade or what this and that. I'm not saying I was, but I mean, when you could have just made an extra $20,000 or something, it gets in your head, right? So for me, at the least, but that's about it. You guys take care and God bless.